Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am social studies teacher Saima Kamran. Today I am here with another lecture of social studies, class 5, lesson number 12, our culture. And this is lecture number 4. Before starting the lecture, I want you to have your book, notebook, and a pencil. In this lesson, we will learn that what is culture, what are the common characteristics of Pakistani culture, what is regional culture, and we will also learn about a multicultural society. Now I will explain you these points one by one. First of all, we have to know what is culture. कल्चर अंग्रेजी ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है, उर्दू में इसको सकाफ़त कहते हैं। कल्चर क्या है? इसका सिंपल आंसर हो सकता है कि ज़िंदगी गुजारने का तौर तरीका। मसलन बच्चे की पैदाइश पर हम किस तरह खुशियाँ मनाते हैं, शादी ब्याह पर कौन सी रस्में अदा करते हैं, मेहमान का इस्तकबाल कैसे करते हैं, बड़ों से कैसे बात करते हैं, बच्चों से कैसे पेश आते हैं, लिबास कैसा पहनते हैं, कैसा खाना खाते हैं। गर्ज़ ज़िंदगी गुजारने का हमारा जो तौर तरीका होता है, वही हमारा कल्चर कहलाता है। Our next point is common characteristics of Pakistani culture. Common characteristics of Pakistani culture can be easily observed all over Pakistan. And the first characteristic is religion. Pakistan is an ideological Islamic state. It came into existence because of religion. So much of our culture is based on Islamic values. 97% of Pakistanis are Muslims. We celebrate two main religious festivals, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. It is the duty of government to protect the rights of minorities who are living in Pakistan. They have rights to live their lives according to their religion. Next is language. The second characteristic of Pakistani culture is language. Our national language Urdu is spoken and understood all over Pakistan. Many people speak English, as well as local languages are spoken in 4 provinces like Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, Saraiki, and Kashmiri, etc. Students, almost 70 languages are spoken in Pakistan. Family. Family comes first in Pakistan due to Islamic and cultural values. In Pakistan, people like family system and remain committed to their families. मर्दों के साथ साथ ख़वातीन को भी काम करने का पूरा हक हासिल है। पाकिस्तान में भी बहुत सी ख़वातीन बहुत आला ओहदों पर फाइज हैं और अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियां बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अदा कर रही हैं। Next characteristic is food. Wheat and rice are the basic and staple food in Pakistan as well as in the subcontinent. In different regions, people consume these foods in different styles. इसके साथ साथ हमारे मसाला जात पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हैं, जैसा कि हल्दी, काली मिर्च, मस्टर्ड यानी सरसों और इलायची वगैरह. Fish is a traditional food. People like to eat it in winters. Tea and lassi are popular drinks. वक्त गुजरने के साथ साथ फास्ट फूड भी लोगों में बहुत मकबूल हो चुका है. Next point is clothing. Shalwar kameez is national and popular dress in Pakistan, as well as people of 4 provinces wear clothes according to their climate and tradition. In cities, men, boys and girls wear jeans, trousers and shirts. Sports. Hockey is our national game, but cricket is very popular in Pakistan. In the villages of Punjab, kabaddi is a favorite sport. Polo is played in Gilgit-Baltistan. Last characteristic of Pakistani culture is arts and crafts. Pakistani art and handicrafts are famous in the whole world. Some examples are handcrafted Balochi shoes, mirror work of Sindh, Kashmiri embroidery, wooden furniture of Chiniot, block printed ajrak of Sindh. These beautiful and different styles of crafts are appreciated across Pakistan. Students, these are all common characteristics of Pakistani culture. Now we will move forward. Next point is regional culture. Regional culture means culture in the different provinces. People living in different provinces of Pakistan share many common cultural values, but they also have some differences. These provinces have different customs, traditions, language, climate, and geography. Now we will discuss the different cultural values of our provinces. First is Punjabi culture. Punjab is known as the land of five rivers. Its land is fertile, so many crops, fruits, and vegetables are grown in the Punjab. Area-wise, Punjab is the second largest province and the most populated province of the country. Punjabi language is spoken in the province. स्टूडेंट्स पंजाब के लोग बहुत मेहनती और बहादुर हैं। वो खाने पीने के साथ साथ म्यूजिक के भी बहुत शौकीन हैं। भंगड़ा पंजाब का रिवायती डांस है जो कि हर जगह बहुत मशहूर है। नेक्स्ट इज सिंधी कल्चर। सिंध सूफी बुजुर्गों की ज़मीन है, जैसा कि लाल शहबाज कलंदर और शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़ भिटाई वगैरह। सिंधी famous dances are Ho Jamalo, Dhamal and Jhumro. Sindhi topi and ajrak are traditional and popular mark of province. Besides Sindhi language, there are many regional languages that are spoken in Sindh. Balochi culture. Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan. Famous Balochi dishes are sajji and dum pukht, which are equally popular in Lahore and Karachi. Balochi handmade embroidery and mirror work is famous throughout Pakistan. Balochi, Barohi and Pashto languages are spoken in the province. Now Pakhtun culture. Pakhtuns love their traditions that are based on Islamic values. Pashto is spoken in the province. Khatak dance is the traditional dance. खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के लोग बहुत बहादुर, मेहमान नवाज और रिवायत पसंद हैं। Our last point is multicultural society. Multicultural means मुख्तलिफ सकाफतें। Pakistan is a nation of over 207 million people. People of Pakistan share many cultural aspects and differences as well. The Muslim faith is part of our society, yet we also have minority groups of other faiths. Urdu is the national language, but most people use at least one other language. Students, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान की जो बेसिक फूड है वो राइस और वीट हैं, लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अब लोग ब्रेड, पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर्स और नूडल्स भी शौक से खाते हैं। तो इस तरह से हमारी सोसाइटी एक मल्टी कल्चरल सोसाइटी है। Students, this is the end of the lecture. Now we will move on to exercise. First, we will do question answers. Question number 1. What are the common characteristics of Pakistani culture? Answer is, there are some characteristics that Pakistanis all over the country observe. They are as follows. Religion 97% Muslims. Language official language Urdu. Food, family, clothing, sports, art and craft. Question number 2. What are the advantages of a multicultural society? Answer is, people learn to experience different ways of life. For example, they learn about other people's languages, art, tradition, and behaviors. In a multicultural society, people learn to live peacefully even among differences. Question number 3. Which aspect of your culture are most important to you? Answer is, the most important aspects of our culture to me are traditions, customs, beliefs, languages, food and arts. Now we will do work page number 106. Its part A is included and part B is excluded. Question. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. Pakistan came into existence because of. The right option is religion. Number 2. The Muslim population of Pakistan is. The right option is 97%. Number 3. The official language of Pakistan is. Right option is Urdu. Number 4. Ho Jamalo is the most popular dance of. And the right option is Sindh. Students, this is the end of the lecture. It's your homework to write these question answers in your notebook. Okay students, goodbye.